Hi, it's Kelly, your AI coach from Ferret Software. Today I want to show you how easy it is to integrate your MonyWorks accounting system with FACT Web and bring some serious power to your MonyWorks system with accounts payable automation. Once you have your FACT Web account set up, head over to the control panel and click on Integrations. Once there, hit the MonyWorks tab. You will see a page where you will need to enter your MonyWorks credentials. FACT Web integrates with both MonyWorks Now and MonyWorks Data Center. The process for each is slightly different. If you use MonyWorks Now, you can simply go to this web page. There is a link in the description below and fill in your MonyWorks credentials. You will receive an email with the details you need to enter into the FACT Web Integrations tab in the FACT Web control panel. If you use MonyWorks Data Center, there are a few steps to follow. 1. Your router needs to be configured for outside access. You can get your IT team to help with this. There is a link in the description as well. 2. You need to have the REST service enabled on your MonyWorks Data Center console. 3. Enter those details into the MonyWorks integration page inside FACT Web. Please note that each time FACT Web connects to send data, it will consume one of your MonyWorks licenses, and if there is no license available, FACT Web will not be able to connect. Once you have successfully connected your MonyWorks account, you can select which items you want to synchronize from MonyWorks and enable them in the control panel. Once the sync is turned on, you can easily process invoices into MonyWorks and even create purchase orders in FACT Web using the suppliers and items synchronized from your MonyWorks system. Please see our other videos for a detailed tutorial on each step in the FACT Web process. For this video, we will summarize the process. You email your invoices to FACT Web using your special email address. Once invoices arrive in FACT Web, they will go through the usual automated validation, such as supplier validation, duplicate detection, and bank account validation. If the invoices do not fall under any automated coding rules, they will be coded and delegated for approval. Once approved, invoices are grouped into a batch where they are validated before they are exported to MonyWorks. The FACT Web Batch Approver will have the ability to confirm that these invoices have been approved by the right people, coded to the correct cost centers and projects before we export them to MonyWorks automatically. Once exported, your invoices will instantly be available in MonyWorks. You will not only see your invoice data accurately captured, but a PDF copy of your invoice as well. This means you have eliminated the manual data entry of invoices into MonyWorks and automated the invoice filing process directly into MonyWorks. Please note this automated FACT Web AP solution fully integrated with MonyWorks is quick to set up. Usually this is a same-day service. That's it for this video. Please check out our other videos for helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please reach out to the support team at helpdesk@ferretsoftware.co.nz. Thank you.